In today's video, you will learn how to set A4 as the default paper size in Microsoft Word. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Setting A4 as the default paper size can save you time and prevent formatting issues, especially if you regularly create documents that need to follow standard A4 sizing. To begin, focus on the Layout tab located at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the options related to how your document pages are structured, including margins, orientation, and paper size. Once you are on the Layout tab, look for the Page Setup section. In this area, you will see a small arrow in the corner that expands the available options. Go ahead and select that arrow to open the full Page Setup window. When the Page Setup window opens, you will see several settings that control how your pages are formatted. Locate the paper size option within this window. Select the drop-down menu for paper size, then choose A4 from the list. This immediately applies the A4 size to the current document, but at this stage, it is not yet the default for future documents. Next, look for the option labeled Set as Default. Selecting this tells Word that you want A4 to be used automatically whenever a new document is created. After selecting Set as Default, a confirmation message will appear asking if you want to change the default settings for page setup. It will also explain that this change will affect new documents based on the normal template. Go ahead and select Yes to confirm the change. By doing this, Word updates its default template so that every new document starts with A4 paper size without any extra steps. This is especially useful for printing, sharing documents, or working in regions where A4 is the standard paper format. Once confirmed, the setting is applied immediately. You do not need to restart anything, and there is no additional setup required. Any new document created from this point forward will automatically use A4 paper size, helping keep your formatting consistent. And there you go. It really is as simple as that. This small adjustment can make a big difference in your workflow by eliminating repetitive changes and reducing layout problems. As always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial video.